Okay, we're back with number 3.
And
And while we were gone,
we racked up some XP points.
so I got 15 levels, which was pretty good.
I got around 14, maybe 15, same.
Okay, so let's see what I get. Sharpness 1. Okay, now let's do our bow. It goes all the way up to 8 now, which is good. And you gotta get power 1. And then,
Put on your boots.
yeah, put some on my boots. Even though I'll probably die and lose them. But look on the bright side, I have boots. 3, 3,
Come on.
3, 3, 3. There we go. Oh yeah.
Oh, lucky.
Feather falling.
I only got fire protection 1. That would have been nice earlier.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Never speak of that ever again.
Yeah,
That horrible. We didn't use dirt. We I did.
I made it. We would have teleported just in.
Yeah.
Alright, so what is this?
Oh god. This spider. Now I actually want Bane of Alcatraz. Jeez. Okay. What was this outside? Oh, checkpoint. Survive.
Alright, so
I don't like how it gives us a checkpoint though. Makes me afraid of what's coming up.
Oh, we didn't sleep. That's why it's not here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go sleep.
Oh god, yeah, let's sleep right now.
Let's just go sleep.
Right now. Oh crap.
I'll just teleport you. Here, teleport me.
Oh.
Just teleport to me.
I'm not very fast, okay. I'm a walrus, what do you expect? Okay. GP MRN 333.
Didn't work.
Wow, I failed there. There's TP MRN 333. Oh, fail. Okay. Ow!
Oh, you got. Why are you on?
What the? I think I'm spooning. I don't know what's going on.
You pervert.
I'm sorry. I can't get. Okay, I can't actually. What the heck? My mouse isn't. It's not turning. Okay, what the? I'm sleeping on the wall now. Okay. There
It's now daytime because
How
it took
did-
so long.
Thanks,
Jack.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
you better be.
Well, there's still gonna be baddies out there. So we would have slept for like a minute. Oh god. Wait, what does your bow have?
Hour 1.
Of course. It's like all that you ever get. Whenever you enchant. But with a new snapshot, the max is 30. So it's a lot easier to get well enchanted stuff. What the heck? Oh, it's a little song. It's kind of glitchy though. Read note 5. Oh god, I don't like this place, Mike. Door just closed behind us.
There's
God,
no
that's
door.
really
Oh, no, it
annoying.
didn't. It's still here.
God, turn the thing down. Holy crap. Have some nice little background music. Even though it's pretty bad music. Oh, there's a pig on some steps over
I'm
there.
gonna go kill it.
Aw, but he was gonna be my companion.
Oh, he's off the steps now.
Okay. Now it's just a normal pig. Go ahead and kill him.
Oh, fail.
Oh, you feel a sudden chill down your spine and the sound of far away. The sound of far away.
Question mark?
What is? Far away has a sound now. Apparently.
Thanks for changing life, bro.
Do we just go up here?
Screw the pig. I can't get it because I'm
Screw
not.
that. Oh, found something. Let's go up the stairs. Oh, of course, spiders. Spider.
Run back.
Oh, just lay them out into the daylight.
They don't die in daylight though.
I know, but like they don't attack you in daylight.
I already hit them both though.
Well, you're just evil. Okay. Just run through. I'm just gonna run through.
I don't have any.
Torches? Oh god. I got him.
Okay, watch out. There's pressure plates.
Pressure plates.
Oh, I see.
Oh. Wow. You
Gold nugget. Oh god, no, 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 no. Oh, Jesus.
Oh god, what is it?
It's a parkour. Alright, Jack, hurry
No!
up. Jack, get over here.
Oh, there's a chest.
I already got it, I got it.
Oh,
Ouch.
you get in.
What is the baddie?
Light it up. Light it up.
No, we can't find them because it's laggy.
It's not laggy.
Not at all.
Okay, oh, there's vines on the sides. Oh, but if we fall down there, we're screwed. Like a screwdriver.
What? Are those strange red tentacles? You suddenly feel very
Wait for
uneasy
me.
and get the
Wait for
feeling you are being watched.
I think we're being watched, Mike.
Oh,
I don't know
God.
what to do. Oh, is that the Nazi sign? No, it's not.
Wow, swap.
Oh god, is this a boss fight?
Jack.
Huh? What? Oh! Balls! Okay. There's...
I found a gold nugget.
Run for your life!
Oh, they don't shoot out arrows, they shoot out mobs.
Yeah. That's good. Just climb to the top of the tower. Whoa. Okay.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah. Woo! You look like cooked chicken?
Ah!
No! You okay?
I'm good.
Okay. Is there anything in the furnace?
No, I already checked.
Okay. Well. Oh god. God, render. Holy crap. There we go. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Oh,
My sword's almost dead.
does it have the one with sharpness?
Yes!
There's a bed. Do you have your bed?
No.
You don't have your bed? Oh crap.
Ah!
What did that do?
Oh, there's 2 beds up here.
Oh,
Oh, actually, there's 3.
that's for multiplayer.
Dash time.
Dash.
No, set time, actually.
Set time?
Yeah.
Set time. What is it, like 300 or something?
No, it's like night. Just do dash.
Let's try that.
Um,
Dash time set 300?
it's one word, I think. Oh,
No, it's not night. Stupid time. Set time. No, it's time set. Oh. Where are we? Oh, this is just torches. Find the right one, maybe? No?
okay, well, I just did dash time set. Oh, good been.
Oh.
You just have to do night. Dash time set.
Okay. Rough day of killing things and dying. Now what?
Right.
I'm just kind of here. Can't actually get through to that cool looking
Yeah,
castle.
look. We're locked in.
What?
Just kidding, there's a lever here to open it. Noob.
I don't even. Oh, okay.
And then you go down here.
Oh, like there's. I hear skeletons. I don't know
Yeah,
what
he's
these
trying
are.
to shoot at us.
You already met him. We're up here.
Yeah, I know. I was just checking to see if there was a chest.
Oh.
In there is.
Irrigation controls. Use this waterfall to get back up if you die. Oh, okay.
If you die.
Get back up. Oh. Get back up to the. Oh, there's a chest up there. No, that one. I was gonna get that one. There's one up on the waterfall.
Okay, I'll get that too.
I bet. They should really have like iron swords in these chests, not just points.
Stone.
Oh, I hear a zombie somewhere. Apple. Okay. What is
Gold
it?
nugget. Oh god, I missed it. I didn't get it.
Doesn't really matter.
We're playing this for points, so it does matter.
Okay, how many points do you have?
I have 9.
I have 0.
That's because I have all your points.
Oh yeah.
This is team
Oh.
pointing.
Team points.
Hey,
Okay.
get back here, get back here.
The trials of knowledge, okay.
Get back here. There's a zombie spawn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's day.
Yeah, but what if it comes night?
Fine.
Don't be such a Debbie Downer.
My name's not Debbie, okay? I don't like to be called Debbie.
Well, my mom.
My name is Deb.
True. The new star appeared in the constellation of Cyprus.
Oh, crap.
Oh, darn. That's pretty horrifying.
I think it was false, Mike.
Really?
Oh, you could just...
I already hit it. Stairs are open.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, there goes my sword. Alright.
I have extra... Oh, you have, like, normal swords.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Okay, yeah, I'm just, like, running to the wall because I'm
So,
stupid. No, because I'm stupid.
Okay. Oh, crap. The red star foretold the coming of...
What is it?
Oh, wow. Nobody gave me one.
Pork chop! I like pork chops.
Is it allowed? Oh,
okay, well...
See through.
Wait, what's it actually?
Crap!
Oh! Okay.
Can I help?
Yeah, I'm helping. Oh, there it is.
Lithia.
Lithalia?
Whatever it is.
Oh. I think I just opened it.
Ah.
Bloom, of course!
We knew that.
Yeah, because, you know, Gloom was the guy that did that.
Yeah. Duh.
I don't know if we're supposed to be, like, Einstein here or something? Oh. Did you just... Oh my god. This is a weird place.
Oh, a chest!
Oh, there's also a very edgy way down.
Oh, I see. No. Oh, never mind. I thought I saw
Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Good.
Alright. The gold on the center of this strange design on the wall has a strange
indent on it. Indeed it does. So we just came here to admire it?
No, because we can go further.
Yeah, no. I'm going further. Oh. Right arrow. Okay.
I'm gonna go further real quick. See if there's any chest. Oh! Chest. See what you missed? You always go the extra mile.
Follow the stairs, stupid.
Huh?
I just follow the stairs.
Okay, but you always gotta go the extra mile.
Yeah, okay. Oh. Oh.
Oh, you know what I noticed? We lost our diamonds.
Of course, creepy music right when I'm going into the scary cavern thing.
Oh, by the way, I lost our diamond.
Wow. Did it burn or something?
Mm. Alright. What do you most desire?
Diamonds and gold! A worthy opponent, a way forward.
Oh! Oh, I think I hate you. Sorry.
I would have thought it'd be a way forward, to be honest. They're all coming for me because I got it wrong. Okay.
It's obviously...
I thought it was going to be diamonds and golds. I was wow. This guy's such a player. Oh. Gotcha. Oh god, I hear zombies. Oh, there's a sign. The only wish a true warrior has is for a worthy battle. I'm not a warrior, I'm a walrus.
Just.
God, people these days thinking everybody just turns out to be a warrior. That's not how it works.
You begin to hear the whispers again.
Oh no!
But this time,
not the
more
whispers.
clearly, find it, find it, find it. Tell me. Oh god.
What could that mean?
Oh, a chest! With a bunch of apples for the win.
Okay, anything in the furnace?
There's more apples for you. If you
I
want.
don't want apples.
There's
I
14.
have 26. Oh, an enchantment table. I have 1 level.
Oh, I have a lot of levels.
Okay.
Where is it?
It's right here. Sharpness 1 again.
I'm gonna go. I have 8 levels. Oh,
is there anything special in these chests?
Knockback 1.
Dang it!
Potion of instant health.
Chainmail boot? I mean, leggings. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Of course. Oh, I shouldn't have spent my enchantments on that.
Yeah, now that I think about it. Well, let's call that one done and done.
Did you stop it?
The trials of knowledge right there.
Yeah.
So,
Well, I guess we will see you in the next episode.
yep. We're gonna see you guys later.